There are a lot of different types of food or meals that are used in a business setting or in everyday work, or, as you know, the typical 50% business luncheon where you expect to do additional business or enhance the business or create a new relationship. That's the most common of the meals and food that a business might spend money on. But let's not get caught in the trap of categorizing that as meals and entertainment, which is 50% deductible. Let's categorize the 100% deductible meals properly so that when you take your information to your tax preparer, you get the full deduction for those items. So for office snacks, food for customers or patients or clients, those items are 100% deductible and should be categorized accordingly. In addition, if you're having a meeting with your employees or managers or board meeting and you're providing food, in most cases those are 100% deductible. Other meals that you may not be aware of that you should be deducting are, for example, late night meals or even meals during the day that are required to keep you at work. For example, if you're running a security company and you need to be there during the day because everyone else is gone or off, then your corporation can provide a meal for you and deduct that because it's for the convenience of the employer, your corporation or your LLC or whatever entity is employing you as the owner employee. Likewise, and most of the time actually, I think business owners are usually working late, and they do that to get things done that need to be done, right? Projects that need to be accomplished, problems that need to be solved, whatever it might be. And in doing that, again, you're working for the convenience of the employer, the business entity that employs you, the owner employee, and therefore those meals are deductible to the business. Another one that's commonly overlooked is the overnight meal. When you travel away from your regular tax home area and you stay overnight, that's what I call an overnight meal or an out-of-town meal. And that is also only 50% deductible, and of course you should keep track of that. But there's a provision that allows you to possibly get a greater deduction. So what you should do is you should keep track of where you go. Of course, you do need to do that in any case, and you kind of automatically do that through your receipts and all. And maybe make a list of what cities you went to and how many nights you stayed overnight, and give that to your preparer and tell him or her to take the per diem rate if that is greater than the actual expense that you spent when you're out of town for those meals. Because the IRS has these tables, they call per diem rates, and you get to take that higher amount even though you didn't spend it. So maybe you're fasting and you want to get a better deduction and you just don't eat. You still get the deduction. Anyway, enough kidding aside. Look into all the other tax strategies and other meals items that we have for you, as well as strategies that will help you get you in a lower tax bracket. We look forward to assisting you in these matters to get more CPA and hope you have a great day. Thanks.